Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about how I make money on the Swissborg app. This is a great cryptocurrency app that you can buy numerous cryptocurrencies on, including Swissborg's own currency, but also you can buy Ethereum and Bitcoin on this company. It offers yields through its premium account. It offers a free chunk of Bitcoin for signing up a friend option, and it offers access to all the cryptocurrency markets that you could possibly want to get involved in. If this sounds like something you're interested in, please smash that like button on your way in, and I'll catch you when we look at the app in a second. Hey guys, welcome into the video. So the first way that I make money using Swissborg is to just simply invest in Bitcoin, Ethereum and the like. So if you see my portfolio allocation, it is all in Bitcoin at the moment because Bitcoin is the one that I hold the most belief in. But I've made a pretty decent return of £31 against my £100 investment. That's a really great return. I do keep meaning to add more to this account, but I've got other investing priorities as well. But simply each month add in whatever you can afford. That will, as long as Bitcoin rises in value, it will dip, it will go up, it will go down, but as long as this happens, overall the trend has been upwards. You can definitely see that in Bitcoin overall. I mean, if you go for the all-time record, you can see where the trend is going here. I mean, it's over $40,000 a coin, and it's up 13,480% over its all-time. So you can see where the trend is going here. The second way that I make money on Swissborg is the earn Bitcoin rewards part of the app. So you can earn up to €100 in free Bitcoin for referring your friends and family. Now I've had a few referrals now, and it hasn't came in at €100, but I've had some pretty decent returns. And just for giving out the link, which is in the description below by the way, you can earn yourself a nice up to €100 in Bitcoin just to add to your investment. Your friend must deposit €50 worth of their currency to qualify, but that's not too bad really. Most people can afford a £50 investment. Now the next thing to look for in the way that you can make money is Swissborg has its own currency that you can earn up to a 5.63% yield against, which is sort of like a dividend in interest payments. And then there's the USD, US dollar coin, that earns up to 25.01% yield. That also will pay you for owning the cryptocurrency as well. That is a really good, almost like a dividend cryptocurrency. That is a great way to make a little bit of extra money on the side. And then if you get into the premium account, which is available on Swissborg, you can save yourself some money, not necessarily make it, but you can save yourself some money by having the premium benefits, by paying 0% exchange fees on Bitcoin, Swissborg, only a small 0.25% fee on Ethereum, whereas if you go for the standard account, you've got 1% fees across the line. So save money by getting the premium account when you can. The only trouble with the premium account is that you need to buy 50,000 worth of Swissborg's own currency to unlock it essentially for 365 days. Now that currently amounts to £54,000, so you need to be a pretty big cryptocurrency investor to qualify for that. But at least you earn a good yield against holding that. You earn a 5% yield against holding that 54 grand's worth, and you get the added benefit of not having to worry about the cryptocurrency fees, which is, if you're investing £54,000 in terms of into cryptocurrency, then that 1% fee, you're going to be pretty concerned about not wanting to pay it if you can possibly help it. So that is a really great way to make money on this app. Bitcoin will make money for it yourself, but there's some other bits and bobs and little tricks that you can use to help really force home your advantage when you're using this company. So I recommend doing exactly what I've done there. Get out there, get amongst the different cryptocurrencies that are there. So you've got Swissborg's own coin, you've got the US dollar coin, definitely look at that. Get into Bitcoin, have a look at Ethereum as well. Get all the rewards out there to your friends and your family, get them using the app. And then over the longer term, if you've got the money, certainly look at unlocking the premium option so you can get even more yields get paid for owning the Swissborg cryptocurrency, and then save money in terms of saving the fees that you can see here. 1% versus nothing will be pretty big when you're investing large amounts of money. It's not always easy to make money with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. They are so very volatile a lot of the time, but if you can just dollar cost average your way in, just keep investing each month, you'll get a decent price each month averaged out over time. And then if you see that the cryptocurrency in question, Bitcoin or whatever it is, has crashed, then that is a great time to perhaps buy in and try and average down your overall investment, maybe with a lot of spare cash if you've got it. That's a great way to heighten your returns. And then using the other little tips and tricks, getting involved with the cryptocurrencies that offer a yield with Swissborg's own currency and US dollar coin, referring your friends and family to take hold of any extra Bitcoin that's available. Even the tiniest little segments could be worth a lot of money years down the line, so you definitely want to be getting hold of that as best you can. And then get on and take hold of the premium account if you can afford, if you can get involved, and make sure you save your money on those fees as well. That's all I've got for you today, guys. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you could like the video on the way out, that would be absolutely fantastic, and I'll see you in another investing episode. Catch you later.